We're here right now starting second semifinals matchup now between Janus Gomez versus alam mo ba na niya? Ayesha and Friends. This is the game. This is the best of 3 series po sa ating larong po ito. New semifinals format po tayo. Game number 1 now is on the way now between Ayesha and Friends, clad in white and orange combination, versus yan po ang Janus Gomez clad in green. Okay, Velasco versus Medallia. Ang matchup yata sa sentro ngayon, along with Shaq or si Sir Carney. Si Repolo nandyan din sa pamintuan at nandyan po si Bacalia. Kabilang po of course si Calisin, si Pajardo, si Pesarillo, si Aaron at si Batikin. Yan. Wait. Calisin, Pajardo, Velasco, Batikin at si Aaron de la Cruz. Yan sa team ng Janus. Game. First quarter now for Janus and the team Ayesha. Semi-finals match game number 1. Start right now. Carney into Bacalia. Wala. Out of bounds. Same ball po tayo. 9:49 remaining. Bacala. Carney, buong posisyon. Carney lost the ball. Single. No. Okay, same. Sabi pa ng referee, same ball po. Same ball tayo. Carney, power move. No good. Medallia. Nice play. Nice deal sa Aaron de la Cruz. 5 seconds remaining. 5 seconds to shoot. Carney against Medallia. Carney versus Aaron de la Cruz. Medallia. Pamintuan. Pops up for 3. Yes, sir. First point now given up by Pamintuan for Ayesha and Friends. Bacalia. Coast to coast. Batikin. Aaron de la Cruz against Medallia. Batikin. Calisin. Nakalusot. Calisin. 2 points. Ano kagad yan? Puntos na kagad yan. Repolyo. Carney. Foul. Carney number 31 shooting for 2. Carney 31 shooting for 2. Carney first shot. No good. Carney second throw. No good. Patigin, pinapamabola. Patigin. Pasarillo. Ardorada. Patigin for 3. Nope. Rebound battle one by the green shirt. Nice one. Now the blue shirts, now the green shirts now is on the run. Velasco, 2 points. Number 23, Repolo called for a foul. Velasco bonus free throw.
One shot by
First shot, no good. Rebound na by Medalya. Medalya to Mr. Repolyo. Nanto, nasundan. Kalisi! 2 points. Medalya. Kamituan, kick pass, Repolyo. Lopez Bacala for 3. Good 3 points for Bacala. Bacala agad 3 points. No good. Bahala ka ng rebound. Medalya. 2 points, Medalya. 6-10. Ito na naman. Laman na apat na laman ang team. Hop! Foul. Lamang muli po ng apat ang Ayesian Friends.
Offense number 0.
Medalya called for the push.
First foul, second team foul, Ayesian Friends.
And Velasco. Wala.
No 2.
Nice one. Tap out. Pamituan. Ayun. Wow!
Offense number 5. Carl Matikin.
Carl Bating called for the foul. 10-7 ang score po natin. 10-7 ang score po natin. Okay, Repolyo first shot, no good. Second. Nice one. Nice one. Pardo Patikin connection. Bacala, Medalya sa ilalim. Labas muna. Repolyo. Bacala. Ayun, Pamituan. Labas. Carney. No good. Init, pampira. Pinatay tayo ng Asia.
Offense number 21. Substitution. Asali, Mustafa. 16, Adjon Kalisi. First personal foul, third team foul, Giannis.
Carney 31.
First shot by Carl.
He's out. Second throw by Carney.
Second throw, Maxi.
Carney second throw. It's in. Two points, patingin. Okay, 11 na po tayo, 11 na tayo. Repolyo, palpal, block one. Bang, Lorenia. Tanto, nagbabantay. Carney versus Velasco. Okay, wala na yun. Let go na yun. Kalisin. Loremia. Kalisin. Kumat. Nice one by Pardo. Bacala. Bacala. Carney. Wala. Wala sa nakaribang. Loremia. No good. Tablado pa rin tayo. Oop, stick na. Okay, same ball tayo. Same ball tayo. Bacala. Okay, tagyam. Tagyam muna. Pagpasok muna para kay Velasco. Of course, si Duran number 1 para kay Kalisin. Repolyo pinasok na para kay Parico. Parico para kay Repolyo. Parico. Bakala. Medalya. Foul.
Ball is number 21.
And si De Leon din para kay Mr. Carney.
Substitution. Running for penalty.
Okay, Pahardo, labas muna para kay Mr. Hans. Parico. Parico! 2 points, Parico. Saan ang galing yun? Parico, 2 points. Oy! Foul!
Ball is number 17. Martin Parico.
Parico called for a foul.
Third team foul.
Batigin. Batigin for 3. No good. 3 from para 1 by the green shirts. Palpal, Tagyam, 2 points. Tagyam, 2 points. Uy! Batigin. Uy! Offensive foul! Sabi ni Batigin. Offensive foul! Shoulder, sabi.
Batigin, second personal foul.
Batigin call for a charging foul or offensive foul. Balik muli po sa green shirts ang bola. Tablado po sa 15. White shirts and again on the attack. Ibarra, no good. Medalya. Ibarra, promising naman. Bacalya, 2 points. Parico, out of bounds. Balik po. Okay, substitution muna. Okay ba? Okay, para kay Pesarillo, si Mr. Batigin. Parico. Bakala. Nice block. And complete lang. Pinawin natin dyan. Nice play by De Leon.
Ball is number 8. Hans Danielo. First
Hans
personal
called for a
foul.
foul. 3:11 remaining. 3:11 remaining. De Leon. First shot. Nope. 9:15. 19:15 rather. Dura number 1. No good. In and out. Parico. Bakala. Malakas. Nice. Hindi by Tagyam. Traveling call itong Tagyam. Ayes and Press call for a timeout. The score is 15-19. First quarter action pa lang po ito. First quarter action po ito. This is game number 1 sa kanang best of 3 series between Ayesha and Janice Gourmet. The winner of this series will go to the finals facing the winner of the other series between Alforno and USW. Alforno leads that series 1 game to none. Parico, inbounding. Para. Parigo. Medalya! Foul! Kaya na yung shot clock nag-winding down na, hindi pa nakuha.
Ball is number 8.
Okay, Medalya shooting for 2.
Personal foul. Penalty.
Medalya, first shot.
Medalya.
Wala. Second throw, Medalya.
Second throw, Rob Medalya.
Second throw, Medalya. Pasok. Target made. Split in 20.
Tagyang Sarillo.
Sarillo.
Wilson Friends Hall.
Wala si Dino. Ibarra. Again, De Leon, 2 points. A minute 44 remaining. Pesarillo. Wala. Loremia. Malakas, pinilit. Nice pass. Tagyam. Palpal! Nice block by Medalya.
Ball is number 8. Tagyang. Substitution. Penalty.
Okay, Acuña, papasok muna.
Hansen Edo, third personal foul.
Hans Cañedo called for the personal foul. And of course, Acuña para kay Hans muna. Pasok.
Second throw, Ibarra.
Both basket. Okay, a 9-point lead advantage na being generated na by Ayesha over Janas. Acuña, no good. Nando si Loremia. Ibarra, 2 points. Ibarra, 2 points. Pesarillo. Nawala ang bola. Ibarra again. Ibarra. Parigo. No, pops up. No good. Oy!
Ball was number 1.
Duran, number 1, called for a foul.
Two free throw. Jacob De Leon.
De Leon, shooting for 2. Pops up. Pasok. Okay, don't look na. 12-point lead advantage have been posted down by team
Second throw.
Ayesha. Second shot made also.
30 seconds.
Same ball. Tagyam. Wala pinasahan. Tagyam! In and out. One more time. Tagyam. Okay, so baka naka-point na rin. Parigo. Parigo. Wala. Foul! Naku, muntik pa.
Foul personal number 5, Jordan Hill. One more penalty.
Okay, Mr. Fajardo. Okay, first quarter is ended. The score is 28-17. Laman po ng labisa ang Ayesha. Ayesha Friends leading 28-17. Sawadi ka. Sawadi ka.
Pass away. Which is well. 17-28 in favor of Ayesha Friends. That's ball.
Okay, bola po, green shirts. Janas ball. Bola po ng Janas. Okay, Batigin for the inbound. Batigin, Kalisin, Aaron, and of course, Velasco, kabila ng Pamintuan. Repolyo, Carney. Velasco, no good. Rebound, para one by. Foul. Who's pa rep? 77. Bangala called for the foul.
First personal foul.
Janas ball. Velasco. Out of bounds, pero white shirts. Mahala siya. Hindi pumapasok yung ng Janas. Pamituan. Carney. 2 points, Carney. Carney, 2 points. De la Cruz, kapos. Malakas ang pasa.
Pass ball.
Velasco, 2 points. Again, Carney back-to-back field goals. Yun lang. Pardo, 2 points also. 8:21 remaining sa ating second quarter action.
Ball was number 23.
Again, Repolyo called for a foul. 8:04 remaining, 32-21. An 11-point advantage being enjoyed by the Ayesha Friends. Kalisin called for a foul. Pamintuan called for a foul.
Third pin foul.
Batigin.
Back to shoot.
Kalisin. 3 points. Kalisin, 3 points. Pamintuan against Kalisin. yata. Carney being guarded now by Aaron. Batigin! Foul! There's a foul call. Up! Okay, Bacala called for the foul. Batikin shooting for 2. Akop shooting kasi yan. Batikin shooting for 2. Pops up. Wala. Second throw, Batikin. Jumpers ready. Second free throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Wala pareho. Rebound by Repolyo. Bacala. Up. Okay, Bacala shooting for 2. Carney. Bacala per shot, pasok. Second throw, Bacala, jumpers ready. Second free throw ni Bacala. Jumpers ready po tayo. Both basket made. 24-34. Nangyari? Walang mic. Okay, Fishes time out po tayo dahil kasi wala kasing microphone. Okay, it's okay na. Okay. Okay, back to the ball game muli po tayo ngayon. The score is 24-34. Laman po ng 10 ang against your friends.
24-34.
Okay, second quarter na po tayo. Kalisin sa ilalim, pasok. Backing violation. Tumama sa ita ni Bacala. Nice D by Pardo. Pardo. Inbounding para kay Batikin. Okay. Pardo sa ilalim. No, it's Kalisin. Nice on Aaron de la Cruz. No good. Carney for the rebound. No, it's Pardo. No, wala pinasa si Pardo. Repolyo 2 points. Repolyo 2 points. De la Cruz go for travel. Carney. Pardo 2 points. Again, 8 point lead na lang kalamangan ng Ayesha. Bacala, walang pinasahan. Same ball. Substitution. Okay, tagyam para kay I think they will now go now for the twin tower combination para sa Giannis Gomez. Bakala sa ilalim, pasok. Tight pass. Repolyo. Pagkakon, mag-isa, tumira mag-isa, wala. Repolyo. Bakala. Bakala. Stripped away. Bahardo, no! Rebound! May spira mo. Repolyo. Bakala. Wala. Rebound. May Velasco. Agaw na tag now. Kalisin. Tagyam. 2 points. Walo. Laman na 8. Medalya. Against Tagyam. Medalya. Tagyam. Dere yun. Repolyo. No good. Rebound. Kalisin. 2 points. 6 na lang ang kalamangan ng Ayesha. 32-38. Repolyo. 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 Medalya. Repolyo for 3. No. Rebound by Batigin. Foul! Nice foul. And of course, alam po natin yan, Batigin shooting for 2.
Second personal foul. Penalty.
Ayan, siyempre, penalty na po sila. Batigin, first shot.
First shot by Batigin.
Pasok. Batigin, second throw. Jumpers ready. 5 na lang po kalamangan ng team Ayesha. Both basket made. 4 na po kalamangan. Substitution now. Okay, timeout called by Giannis. Mukhang basis yan, no? And of course, good evening po basketball fans. They're watching right now the first basketball action. Basically, series semifinals action between Ayesha and Giannis Gomez. This game is sponsored by the following sponsors: McDonald's Qatar, MC Cargo, Giannis Basketball Team, Giannis Gomez, Luxury Beach Shanty, JPEX TV. Nandiyan din po ang Hookah Paparan, Hookah HB Kicks. And of course, Sinag Digital Media. Nandito po ang Iowa Nation at Fuse Paduka. And of course, ang Tok Tok Saigon Restaurant. Repolyo, naipit. 2 points. 6 muli kalamangan. Batigin. No, block. Foul. No. Lifting, sorry. Okay, foul number. Penalty situation.
Penalty. Third personal foul.
Repolyo, third personal foul. Wala, isang ganito. Okay, Batikin. Carl Batikin. First shot. It's in. Second shot. Jumper ready.
Second throw.
Batikin. Second throw. Pasok. Nothing but net. Ibarra for 3. No good. Rebound. Again, kay Batikin mag-isa. Batikin. 2 points. Tamat na. Ayesha also. The bleeding never stops for Ayesha. 2 minutes 38 remaining. Second quarter action. Second quarter action. Ayesha Friends still leading by 2 points. Ha? Kanina 12, umabot. Umabot ng ano, sa dalawa na lang. Okay, Ibarra for the inbound. Nandiyan si Parico. Medalya nandiyan pa rin. Of course, nandiyan si De Leon at si number 4 ng ISM Friends. That's ano. Si Botesto yan. De Leon. Medalya. Medalya. Power move. Giluha mo ng depensa. Giluha mo ng depensa ni Medalya. Foul. Down. That's Campo. Campo called for the foul. Jude Campo called for the foul. Pesarillo first shot. Wala. Second throw, jumpers ready.
Second throw, Pesarillo.
Boing, boing, boing. 39-42, laman ng tatlo. Ibarra. Ibarra. Campo. Campo. De Leon. Out of bounds, pero may foul. Pushing foul on Fajardo. De Leon. No, De Leon for the inbound. Okay. Si Dom nandiyan na rin para kay De Leon. Campo for the inbound. Dom. Parico pops up. No. Campo. Patpat. Wow. Nice block by De Velasco over Campo. Penalty situation, Team Ayesha. Second person po ni Jude Campo. Okay, Fajardo para kay Loremia. Fajardo Pesarillo, first shot. Pasok. It's pasok. Second throw by Pesarillo. No good. Rebound by Domdom. Parico nagmamadali. Parico kay Tagyam. Velasco versus Tagyam. Foul.
Rounders number 6. First personal foul, second team foul.
Second team foul.
Travis. 22.
Para. Foul. Holding foul on Mr. Batigin. A minute and 31 remaining. Third person ng pan ni Batigin. Parigo. 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 Pops up. No. Rebound by Velasco. Pesarillo. Tama dali. Pesarillo. 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 Nawala ang bola. Okay, go. Again, Ibarra for the inbound. A minute 17 remaining. Parigo. Parigo, Parigo, Parigo! What a shot by Parigo! Duran, squaring up. No good. Rebound! Nandun si Velasco. Ibarra against Duran. Ibarra. Gold for the continuation. Nice continuation. Duran number 1 called for a foul. And of course, Ibarra shooting for the bonus free throw. Ibarra, bonus shot. It's in. Duran. Ayan. Part. Velasco stripped away. Parigo. Parigo. Nice stop. Tagyam. Velasco. Velasco. In and out. Tagyam. Malakas. Tagyam. Sapa. Sayang. The twin tower combination works wonders for the Janus Gourmet.
Remaining time 14 seconds. First goal with the ground.
First shot, Tagyam, good. Second of Tagyam, jumper ready. 5-point lead advantage. Pops up. No good. Nandiyan si Dumdum.
10 seconds.
Parigo, last shot. Parigo, palpal. Okay, after 2 quarters, lamang po ng 5 ang team Ayesio over Janus Gourmet. The score is 47-43. Lamang po ng 4 rather, sorry. Ha? Okay, 47-43 of yung score. Okay, halftime po tayo yun. Halftime tayo. This game is supported with the following sponsors. McDonald's Qatar, MC Cargo, Black Silver Shanty, Janus Brazzaville, Janus Commentio, JPX TV. Overstand din po ang HB Kicks. Nandiyan din po ang Hookah Apparel. And of course, nandiyan din po ang Iwa Nation. Of course, nandiyan din po ang Sinag Diesel Media and si Christopher Duque. And of course, si Tok Tok Saigon. Okay, halftime po tayo. Magbabalik po kami after 5 minutes.
Malaysian Red Squad.
Okay, back to the ball game tayo.
Back to the middle.
Pamituan. Carney again. Malakas. Patingin. Tagyam. Hook shot. Pasok. Point number 7. A closest lead now. Tuan. Bakala. Palpal. Aaron de la Cruz. Batiin. Aaron. 2 points. First deadlock of the ball game. At 47 all in third quarter. Carney. Carney too much. Agak pa. Bangkesto. Malakas. Tagyam. Recovered. Kalisin. Tagyam ang Carney Show. Sagutan ng dalawang higante. Bakala. Carney no foul. Again, chance to take the lead. Bahago, 2 points. Okay, Okay, first seed na, Vintage Double Janice na may Obaesha, 51-49. Repolyo, Bondesto, no good. Rebound na, by Batingin. What a play by Batingin. Aaron de la Cruz, 2 points. Bakala, foul. Okay, tagyam for Velasco.
First defense. Bakala,
Uy! Offensive foul!
once again, Bakala. Bakala, first foul. First foul. Batingin, ulit foul. Bakala, tuloy. Verse number 16, Kadisi. Second personal foul. Second team foul. Giannis.
Repolyo, first shot. Pasok.
Basket.
Basket made.
Second foul. Eric Ripondo.
No good.
Rebound, verse number 6, Batingin.
Oh! Balik sa green ng bola.
Substitution. Para Italia Green. Pahalo at Champion.
Velasco, malakas. In and out. Walang tawag. Bakala. Bondesto, no good. Rebound na Verde Cruz. Kalisi. 2 points. 55-50. 5:57 remaining. First, third quarter action. Pamintuan. Signing the play. Metalia. Okay, foul on Mr. Aaron. Pamintuan. Diyan, Pamintuan, offline. Meron, first fresh 40 shot clock. Ayun nga lang, hindi nasalo. Top break for Ayesha. Balik muli po sa ang dyan ng bola. Batingin. Hoy! White ball, sabi. Lost the ball. White ball. Jun, tumira sa labas. Medalya, lost the ball, pero may foul. Medalya shooting for 2. The score po natin po is 55-50. 4:56 remaining sa ating third quarter action. Medalya number 0. Medalya first shot. Pasok. It's in. Medalya second throw. Jumpers ready po tayo. Init, grabe.
Second throw, medalya.
Second shot, no good. Rebound. White shirt. Bakala. Pamintuan. Straight away. Pamintuan. Block by Velasco.
7 seconds to shoot.
7 second shot clock. 7 seconds to shoot.
7 to shoot.
Repolyo. Foul.
Ball goes number 80, Aaron De La Cruz.
Aaron De La Cruz called for a foul. Penalty situation at 4:41 ang Janas. Third quarter action. Okay, Aaron De La Cruz sabas muna para tagyam. Again, using Janas Gomeno using its twin tower combination against Ayesha. Bakala first shot. Wala. Ang init. Pinatay tayo ng Asian food. Bakala second throw. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Velasco. Pero may foul po. May foul po si Condesto. Tapos may pusa. Pamatapakan yung kawawa yung pusa. May pusa eh. Ang init, grabe. Okay. Baka patikim. Pops up. No good. Bakala. Contesto. Contesto. Malakas. Bakala. Wow. Nice hustle play by Bakala. Earning that shot in the line. Velasco called for the foul. Dalawa kasi 6 eh. Tagyam. Bakala second shot. Pasok. Ibarra pinasok na parang Ibondesto. And Patikin binababa ang bola. Lost the ball. Nice guard. And timeout. Timeout called by Janas. Okay, 3:57 remaining. Lamang pa rin po ang Janas ng tatlo. Ng dalawa rather, 53, 52, 55. Ganun. Okay, feature score po natin, 52-55. Laman ng tatlo ang Janas Gourmet. Okay, back to the ball game. White shirts inbounding. Tangin na kasi. Pamintuan. Bakala. Bakalam against Fajardo. Lost the ball. Antibay. Antibay ni Fajardo. Parang pader. Parang buhos. Parang konkreto. Fajardo. And Kalisin. Tagyam. Nice pass. Pops up Kalisin. Tapos. One more time. Ayun! 2 points. Nice shot kay Fajardo. Nako na sandali. Pamintuan for 3. Wala. Rebound battle and won by the white shirts. By the green shirts. Number 5 called for a foul.
Second personal foul, guaranteed foul.
Kalisin. Pesarillo for 3. Wala. Rebound Fajardo. Nawala ang bola. Fernando Palpal. Nice block by Pamintuan. Okay, Lorenia para kay Fajardo. Nice game. Great game ni Fajardo.
And seconds to shoot.
Kalisin.
Foul.
Tagyam. Driving. Sa ilalim. Ang lalim. Pasok. Tagyam 2 points. Pamintuan. Pamintuan. De Leon. 2 points. Hop. Stepping on the line. Stepping on the line. Eto na. Bakala for 3. Wala. Rebound para 1-5 Del Velasco. RD1. RD1 ay si Bara. Velasco, nawala ang bola. Oh, De Leon, ayaw niya. Pamintuan, Pesarillo. Medalya, easy 2. Easy 2, run medalya. 3 lang kalamangan muli ng Team Janas. Janas kami, 3 lang kalamangan. Fajardo. Velasco, wala. Green ball. Velasco. And the one. Loremia. Loremia against Pamintuan. Tagyam. Ayun. Traveling violation. Traveling violation called on Pesarillo. Manong kakasin ka ba? Pamintuan. Pamintuan. Again, foul. Ralph Pidala called for defensive foul. Warning for penalty, Asian Friends, third quarter action. A minute and 16 remaining. 1:16 remaining. RD1. Pesarillo. Tagyam. Uy! Traveling ka tong boy. Nag-hesitate kasi. Nag-hesitate. Pag tira-tira, huwag ka na mag-hesitate. Italia. De Leon. Foul. Baba. 48 seconds remaining. Third quarter action. Patapos na. Janas Gumay penalty situation. De Leon, first shot. Is in. Basket bait. Second throw jumpers ready para kay De Leon. Wow. Wow, ganda. Shocks. Boing, boing, boing. Okay. Pakakit sa radio. Durad, 2 points. Okay, laman po ng apat na ngayon ang Team Janas. Bakala. This is a good match. Speed for speed, power for power, height for height, and shot for shot. Bakala, wala. Mali pinasahan. Sarilio, 2 points. 5 seconds remaining. Ibarra. Bakala, wala na. Okay, after 3 quarters, the score is 57-63. Laman po ng 6 ang Team Challenge Committee. Oh. Mamili po kayo, Team Spicy, Team Normal. Mamili po kayo. Yan po ang Challenge Committee. Oh. Okay. Huha! Grabe, init. Teka, diyan nga lang ha. Okay, offense. Fajardo carrying the ball, a traveling violation called. 9:56 remaining, 57-63. Laman po ng 6 ang Team Janas. Bakala against Fajardo. Baba. Sa baba, sabi ni Coach Homer. Fajardo 21. Fajardo 4 personal fouls, warning for graduate. Bakala. Medalya, tapang taki. Medalya, palpal. Nando si Repolyo, wala pa rin. Carney, binabantay si Dura number 1. Batigin, side step move, wala. Rebound, Bakala. Kick pass, Medalya. Wala na, 2 points. 2 points, Medalya. Let go na yun. Pag yun, mapapal pa yun, kaya let go na yun. Again, batigin. Pops up for 2. Bang! Sharp shot from Batigin. Repolyo. Oy! Bakala 2 points. (61-65), 4, 8 points. Again, Batigin, 2 points again. Janas Gubay. Nice Asia, match for match. Shot for shot, speed for speed. And power for power. Medalya, malakas. Walang tawag. De La Cruz, wala. Rebound battle won by Polio. Bakala, 6 anyway. Medalya! 2 points, Medalya. Medalya, power move ni Medalya, pasok. Patigil, nakalusot. Pardo, patpal. Okay, hindi mo na raw. Headphone mo na. Isa na tayo, sabi niya. Huwag mong pamadali. Repolyo. Repolyo! Patpal! Pero may sabi raw, may hawi, pero may foul. Foul!
Foul, versus number 6. Velasco, third personal foul, 17 foul.
Janus Gumay, third personal foul. Second team foul, third personal foul ni Velasco. Repolyo, first shot. Wala. Second throw, Repolyo. Jumpers ready. Wala pareho. 7:20 remaining. Kalisin. Foul. Carney. Medalya also called for the foul. Third person pa ni Medalya po yan. And Mr. Pajardo. Inbounding. Patikin. Pajardo. Pasok ang bola. Pass hands. Repolyo, mag-isa. Medalya. Nandun si Kalisin. Muntik na. Bakala. Bakala, Bakala, Bakala. Bakala. Carney. Carney palpal. Carney palpal red. Double shot. Double dribble. Nice D. Nice D by Velasco. Again, Kalisin for 3. Malakas. Bakala ang rebound. Pamintuan. Pamintuan. Hindi na shoot. No shoot. Ha! Kalisin called for the foul. Also, Kalisin now third personal foul. Third team foul, Janus Gumay. Pamintuan. Substitution muna po tayo. Carney out para kay Misa De Leon. Pamintuan 26, shooting for 2. Pamintuan, first shot. Pasok. Nothing but net. Ganda ng tulog. Ganun lang. Second throw, jump. Pamintuan. Pamintuan, pangalawang tira ng Pamintuan. No good. Rebound now by Velasco. Patigin. Velasco, top board. Wala. Sete. Tampo. Oy! Holding. Nice D. Okay, batikin na for the inbound. Batikin, inbounding. And now, batikin again. Kalisin, mag-isa na tumira. Pasok ang bola. Kalisin, 3 points. Yan ang hinahanap. Kanina pa. Medalya against Aaron. Medalya. Foul! Ouch. Check lang.
Foul, jersey number 18, De La Cruz.
Aaron De La Cruz called for a foul.
Running for penalty.
Giannis Gumay, third fourth team foul, one for penalty.
De La Cruz running for foul.
De La Cruz, four personal fouls, one for graduate. Cutters. Out of bounds. Nice dunk. Nice guard by Tagyam.
1 second to shoot.
5 seconds remaining, 5 seconds to shoot. Repolyo for 3. Ayaw. For 3 nga. No! Pasok. Sana. Tagyam. Patikin. 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 Wala. Nice. Nice asset play by Kalisin. Same ball, Giannis ball. 40-second shot clock. Mr. Kalisin. Batikin. Batikin. To Kalisin again. Lumusot. Kalisin. Pasok ang bola. No, the biggest lead so far now is at 10 points para sa Giannis Gumay Tiyo. Giannis Gumay, 4:50 remaining. Bangala, power move. What a shot by Bangala. Balik muli po sa Ayesha ang bola. Ayesha Friends go for the timeout. The score is 66-74. Ilang nakita ko referee nagsot na pang basketball na basketball, di ba? Basketball siya? Okay, back to the ball game po tayo.
Asian Friends ball.
Okay, Asian Friends ball tayo. Repolyo. Pamintuan. Foul. Nice foul.
Ball jersey number 06, Tagyam. Third personal foul, penalty, Giannis.
Giannis Gumay penalty situation. Medalya shooting for 2. First shot. Pasok. Second throw, Medalya, jumpers ready po tayo.
Second ball,
Medalya, second throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Pops up. Wala. Rebound by Batingin. Kick pass now kay Pardo. Pardo. Wala. Rebound, Medalya. Medalya, kumakanana. Kumakaman si Medalya. Bangala. Repolyo again, Repolyo. Repolyo. Wala, malakas. 6-7-74, laban po ng 7 ang Giannis Gumay Tiyo. Batikin. Kalisin, wala. Rebound, battle won by the green shirts. Wala, nawala talaga. Kick pass sa Pamintuan, Pamintuan. Pamintuan, Pamintuan. 6 seconds way. Pamintuan, 2 points. 69-74, Pamintuan 2 points. 3:45 remaining. Okay, mukhang ano yata na ano. Paki-check lang si Kalisin. Napuwing yata. Patigin, patigin, patigin. Patigin, Pagsarilyo. Patigin. Patigin. Pinatang ang depensa. Oh! Traveling ka tong boy. Fajardo fumbled. Nice D by Nabayesha. 3:27 remaining sa ating fourth and final quarter. Pamituan. Pamituan. Wala. Ibarra, clutch 3. Wala rin. Fajardo. Wala. Hey! Okay, teka lang. Sabi referee. Ano sabi referee? Okay, overruled. White ball. Homer says white ball. It's white ball. White ball tayo, sabi. White ball. Pamintuan na. Pamintuan. Binababa bola. Pamintuan. Pamintuan. Binababa bola. Pamintuan. Medalya. Hindi ka mapapasahan. Medalya. Nawala. Nawala. Palpal. Nakuha. Tagyam. Tagyam. Binababa bola. Tagyam. Patingin. Tagyam. 2 points. Medalya. 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 And 1 play. Sabi ni Medalya, hindi pa tapos ang laban. Pesarillo, first personal foul ni Pesarillo. Medalya, bonus free throw coming up. Sabi ni Medalya, hindi pa tapos ang laban. Lumalaban pa kami. Okay, Medalya, number 0, bonus free throw coming up. Naku po! No good. Big break. And now Mr. Patikin against Repolio. Patikin. Patikin pops up. Pasok. Ah, sayang. Sorry. Patikin pops up. Pasok yun. Nice interception. Tagyam. Wow. Nabay Bakala. Last 2 minutes na cold. Bakala called for a foul. Also Bakala, 4 personal fouls, 1 for graduates. Hindi pa daw, hindi pa daw.
70 foul.
Okay, Miss Patikin.
Last 2 wins.
Fajardo, lumusot. Op! Nice quick hands by Fajardo. By Pesarillo. Pesarillo against Ibarra. Nagbabantayan pare-pareho. Ayan na. Aaron de la Cruz against Medalya. Nope, it's Patikin. 5 seconds, Patikin. Patikin, pops up again. Bang! Again, balik muli po sa Siyamang Kalamangan. Ibarra. 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 Kapus. Out of bounds. White shirts. Ball pa na Asia. Pamintuan. Pamintuan for 3. Wala. Rebound. Air de la Cruz. Fajardo. Fajardo. Kiniluan na lang. Bakala, touch pass. Ibarra, 2 points. Ay, hindi. No good. Okay, Bakala, 2 points. 1:16 remaining. 70-82. An 11-point lead advantage now by Team Janas over Ayesha. Janas. Patikin. Nope. It's Aaron de la Cruz. Wala. Repolyo, 2 points. Janas called for the timeout of 14 seconds remaining. 75-82, laman po ng pito ang Team Janas. Alabira. Siguro maraming tao lang yata kaya mainit. Pag maraming tao siya mainit eh. Pag maraming tao, maraming. Okay, back to the ball game tayo. 14 seconds remaining. Janas inbounding.
Back to the ball. 14 seconds.
Okay, Fajardo. Pardo. Kamamasan. Tagyam. Nakuha. Nakuha na. Di pa rin. Hop. Tagyam. Wala. Rebound. Italia. Ibarra. Clutch shooting. Wala. Okay. Okay, play set na tayo.
15.
Okay, concede na. Okay, Ayesha's conceding already. Final score, 71-82. Janas Gumay winner. Janas leading on the game in this series, 1-0. Okay, maraming salamat po. Thank you very much. See you for next week po tayo Battle Reaction for the second day of our semifinals matchup between Janas Gumay and Team Ayesha. Thank you very much. Maraming salamat po.